son of a bitch. When I was 9, we moved to the Gulf of Mexico, playing in that swampland while Daddy was digging a ditch. When I was 13, we moved to Arizona. I fell in love with all that beautiful sand, till my daddy became someone I'd rather not remember, for reasons I still do not understand. Life's bad, time's hard. Let's go do something bad in my car. When I was 18, I moved to Nevada. Met a woman and I married her, and I'm married to this very day. About once a month we get in her car and we go driving. We roll down the windows and pretend like it's yesterday. When I was 27, I discovered God staring at me in my rearview mirror. I said my name and he said, son, mine's the same. And ever since then things have been a whole lot clearer. Life's bad, time's hard, but let's go do something bad in my car. I just turned 54, thinking about moving, just packing up my shit and putting it in my car. Just me and my wife, and we won't ask any questions like where to or how far. Just keep on driving, 4 wheels on the asphalt, 4 wheels on the road, baby, 4 wheels on the black. We're gonna take a trip all around this beautiful country. Tell your friends goodbye, baby, we ain't ever coming back. Life's bad, time's hard, let's go do something